Hello and welcome back to TKSBAR. I'm your host Tessa, and today we're going to be making a Moscow Mule. So, two things before we start making our Moscow Mule. The first thing is that unfortunately I don't have a copper mug, which is traditional for this drink. So instead I'm going to be using just a rocks glass, but if you did have a copper mug, I suggest putting it in that. So the second thing is that this isn't just going to be any Moscow Mule, this is actually going to be a pomegranate Moscow Mule, which to me I think is like a little bit more wintry and fun. And one other thing that I will say about this cocktail is that it's great because if you want to make this a virgin cocktail, you just omit the vodka and you've got a virgin cocktail right there. So let's get straight into it. So this is a super easy cocktail. We're just gonna build it in the glass, and we're gonna start off by putting about 5 to 6 mint leaves in the bottom. So I've just got my mint leaves and I'm gonna throw those in there. Then we're gonna move on to our spirit, which is our vodka. Unfortunately, I literally don't have any vodkas in the house other than flavored vodkas. So today we're gonna be using vanilla vodka, but you could totally use regular vodka. In fact, I'd probably suggest it. But today we're using vanilla vodka. Then we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of pomegranate juice. And we're gonna give that a quick press. Now if you wanted to, you could actually just put grenadine in here instead of pomegranate juice because that is like pomegranate syrup basically. But I don't have any, so we're using pomegranate juice. Then I'm just gonna fill this up with some ice. Then I'm just gonna top this off with ginger beer. Give that a little stir. Then to garnish, I've got some pomegranate seeds here, and I'm just gonna throw some of those in. And then to top that off, I'm just gonna put a little sprig of mint on the side here. Just like that, and that's perfect. And there we've got our finished cocktail. Okay, so the last thing we have to do is just give this a little taste, and I'm really excited. It looks so good. It would have looked a little bit better in a copper mug, but whatever. Yeah, I really like that. I think it's really nice, it's refreshing, it's sweet but not too sweet. I actually find it really nicely balanced. The one thing I would say is that my ginger beer that I used is very sweet, whereas I think that with this type of cocktail or like any Moscow Mules, I would use more of like a neutral ginger beer or spicy ginger beer because I just think it would elevate the flavor a little bit. This one's a little bit more, I don't know, the ginger in this ginger beer isn't as strong, and I think that a stronger ginger beer would have been better. So yeah, I really like this cocktail, and if you try this, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. Other than that, that's basically it. So if you like me and you like this channel, I would love it if you gave me a like on this video and subscribe down below for more. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!